Hey guys, my name is Sakina and today I'm going to be making Shahi Tukda. So let's get started.
दावत में जैसे हो शाही टुकड़ा उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीं
So first
शाही
of all, I'm going
जोड़ा
to open the
पहन
stove.
के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट
I'm
है
going to add
शर्माई सी बगल
1
में
liter
जो
of
बैठी है दुल्हन के
milk.
वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है
Now I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar on the flavor you want. Like if you want more sugar, you can add more sugar. If you want less sugar, you can add less sugar. And then I'm going to add half teaspoon of elaichi powder, cardamom, and I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. So guys, now I've mixed the milk thing for 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes, and now I'm gonna add cream. And I'm gonna mix it for 2 minutes. I'm not adding saffron in it because I don't like saffron, but you can add if you want to. In another pan, I'm going to make the syrup. I'm going to open the stove. And I'm going to add half cup of water and half cup of sugar. And now I'm going to mix these together, and I need to dissolve the sugar. I'm going to add half teaspoon of cardamom, and I'm going to mix this till it thickens and it thickens. And I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of rose water. So just make it into a syrup now. The sugar syrup cool down and set this aside now after dissolving the sugar. Guys, I'm gonna open the stove again. Add coconut oil. I'm gonna shallow fry it. You can fry it in normal oil and deep fry it, but I'm using coconut oil and I'm gonna shallow fry it. I've cut the slices in half like this, and I'm gonna fry it now.
है खुशकिस्मती, सारी महफिल की वो जान बनी है, क्या कहना उसका आफरी, मुफलिस के दिल का अरमान बनी है।
Bread has turned golden brown and now I'm going to take it out. It's
शाही
super
जोड़ा
good and
पहन के
crispy.
आई जो
You
बंधन
place it
के,
over here.
वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट
You can see
हार्ट
the color.
है।
And you have to fry it like this, all the bread. So guys, I'm gonna start prepping up. So first of all, you're gonna take a piece of bread, keep it in the sugar syrup for 10 to 15 seconds so that it softens, and place it over here. Take a and you need to continue doing this. Now you're gonna pour the milk on top of the bread. Oh my god, it looks so good
शाही
already.
तुकड़ा उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीं, शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी
And
स्वीट
I'm going to
हार्ट
sprinkle it with
है।
some
शर्माई सी
pistachios,
बगल में जो
almonds
बैठी है दुल्हन के,
first,
वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शाही
and
जोड़ा पहन
with a
के
lot of
आई
garnish
जो
it with a
बंधन
lot
के,
of
वही
it
तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट
because it
है।
will taste a lot really good. And I'm gonna add coconut on top, and it's ready. So guys, I'm gonna try the Shahi Tukda. So let's see how it tastes. One of the, it's really soft. It's too much. I'm gonna add some milk. Yeah, that's enough for me. Let's try it. I'm very excited for this. So here is it. Okay. Mm. It's really sweet and the milk is really yummy. I love it. The bread. It's like soft and melting in my mouth. I love that texture. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you.
शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट